When you're surrounded by the bustling city, you start dreaming of life at the top, where the air is sweeter, the sky is brighter, the days are better. Where every day feels like a getaway, a mountain paradise that's conveniently close to everything that matters. We thrive in communities with so much to look forward to beyond the four walls of home. There are big open spaces with majestic mountain views. You enjoy utmost privacy, surrounded by tastefully designed structures, letting you relax and breathe easy. You can turn your dream life to the life you live. The life on top is waiting for you. So take it all in and savor the beauty around you. Life has never looked better, because the best view is from the top. Experience life at its peak at Celestia.